Hi guys! So here we are now. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the chicken run that we added onto our chicken coop. Because if you could imagine, look, that's the coop over there behind me. And the run is just that big. So we extended it. We made it bigger so that they can roam a little bit more. So watch the video.
Alex and Papa making the run bigger for our chickens. Look at the chickens. 12 noon here. Nice weather out in Kilmoyle. And the two chickens are there. And where are the two more? There you go. There's another one there. And the other one there. Hello. Oh gosh. Makatakot sila, tingnan.
Yeah, because they don't know you. They're not used to you, so they're gonna be scared of you.
The other hen, the black one, you are right, was glaring at me. Side view like that, no.
Let me see if I go check. Hey Blackie! Hello. Hello.
Are you holding her?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I want to see.
It's okay. She's fine. She's fine.
Is she like that?
Wings.
Oh, you're such a cutie. Please don't poop on me.
Hi, Blackie. You're Blackie.
You're such a cutie.
Sky, are you jealous? Where are you?
Mom, don't. Don't call her. She'll fly away. She'll get scared and fly.
Yes, it doesn't feel like a rock. Yeah, it doesn't feel like a rock.
Hello, chicken there now. Hello, chicken. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Finally finished their chicken run. I know it was a bit of a hectic work. We were all busy today. I was struggling with a mesh wire, but finally made it. Here we go. Let's see if the chickens go out. Hey chickies. We'll just wait for them to come out. Put something here.
Hey, Bluey. Come out now.
Really? That's not really.
Who is that now?
Potato.
Oh.
Oh, the one down the bottom is fluffy, isn't it?
Right. So hopefully they come out later and they'll be able to do the run. Yeah.
Oh. She's coming out. She's so good. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Just get a small hook. Barbed wire or something. Enjoy your run, chickens.
The chickens now, I could say, are very happy, way much more happy, and they're more comfortable with us already. Look at there, Alex is playing with Poopy,
Potato.
oh, Tato, and Bluey. So that's Tato over there, Blackie over here. You have Bluey over there, and you have Poopy over there eating.
Poppy. It's Poppy.
Yeah,
Poppy.
that's why she's pooping always, because she's eating a lot.
It's Poppy.
So there it is.